guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we're looking at a Philips product called the Standalone and Keyless. Essentially a gateway from the outside world to your home, powered by Philips. Now Philips is a company that makes a variety of cool products, from techs to gadgets, in which they're taking their take on home security, essentially a keyless entry for your locking needs. Now the cool thing about this that I've never seen before is that this is the very first keyless entry that allows you to go ahead and control it via an app, but with a twist. It gives you the capability to go ahead and access a one-time user code for somebody that you need to give it to that you don't want to be able to use it again. How cool is that? So the moment they insert the code, they can go ahead, do whatever they have to do, and then that code won't ever work again. Not only that, it also has its own locking mechanism, so if you close the door, it'll automatically lock on its own. Pretty neat. Now together we see exactly what this thing's all about. So if you guys want to check them out, check out the link down below in the description, and without further ado, let's open this thing up. Alright, so this is your packaging, this is your box. It's a standalone and keyless. It says enjoy the digital life, deadbolt lock, says smile, curve indicator, auto relocking, self-handing, backup power port, and a voice guide. Now this uses double A's, so that's nice, and it can last up to a full year according to their standards. Now supposedly it's a very easy fit, and all you really need is a screwdriver, and it does have an app integration allowing you to go ahead and control it remotely based off of that. And then it also comes in different finishes, including black nickel as well as satin nickel. Yeah, let's open this thing up. Alright, so on top here we have our user manual, kind of explaining how to go ahead and set this up step by step. Honestly, it's a pretty simple setup compared to like most other ones, as it doesn't require anything else in terms of cameras or connectivity. It's literally right out of the box, ready to go. Over here is going to be our quick start guide. So this will kind of showcase the app, and then in terms of going ahead and adding your numbers, we have a diagram on where you want to go ahead and mount these screws. And then this here is going to be our deadbolt lock. We have our mounting hardware, and they even include AA batteries, so that's nice too. Alright, so this here's everything that we get. So this here's our outside keypad. So it's going to have our touchscreen there, and then you can see the locking mechanism over here, including this wire that'll connect the two sides together. It does have a speaker in there in which it has different languages, which is nice. Over here is our actual physical locking mechanism. You can see it right over here, and you can go ahead and lock it and unlock it based off of that. This here is our battery pack spot, so you're going to pop that open. You can see the batteries right there. It's got a reset functionality too. You got your double A's, the physical lock of course, mounting hardware, some nuts and bolts, and then some 3M tape. So I mean, it sounds like a pretty simple concept. So let's go ahead and install this bad boy next and download the app and try it out. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to install that right over here through this door. So let's go ahead and mount this thing next and see what it looks like complete. So we're finally done and installed it, and it was not a really difficult process. Now the nice thing about this is that it does have a keypad on the outside, and you can actually control it from here too. Now for instance, if it's unlocked here, all you gotta do is press this button here and automatically lock it, and then on this side here you have your keypad. So simply touching it like this will wake it up, and you can go ahead and dial your number through here, and you type in, say, like the wrong password and hit enter. But if you type the right password, so it'll go ahead and unlock it just like that. Now you can also use the settings on the app. So this here is going to be our app. This here is our Philips Home Access app. Now we go ahead and link our lock using the QR code behind the battery pack, and click on this just like this, and you can just see our random password generator. Now by hitting generate, it'll automatically generate a new password that you can technically share among whoever's using it, and after they use it once, it won't be able to be used again. So let's try this one out really quick. Now if I try using that same exact password again, technically it shouldn't work at all. There you go, just like that. I tried using the same password twice and it did not work. So yeah, kind of gives you an idea of what that's about. Overall, a really simple concept and very easy to use. And I would highly recommend, especially if you're looking for something that's both easy to use and quite to the point. Now with that said, if you had any questions at all, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next episode. Take care guys, bye-bye.